Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson 3. Learn to use the computer. In this lesson, first starting the computer, second identify the desktop and its components, third shutting down the computer. As you now know about computer and its uses that we already learned, let us learn how to use it. We can work on the computer only when it is switched on. So it is very important to learn how to start a computer and how to shut it down. Wrongly starting and shutting down a system can cause harm to it. Let us learn how to switch on and off a computer. It's very important thing to how to start and how to shutting down on a computer. Now see the steps and picture. To start a computer, observe the pictures carefully and follow the steps to start the computer. See the picture. First step, switch on the main power supply button. It's very important. This is first step. Switch on the main power supply. Okay. Computer manners. Never switch off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the computer. It can harm your system. It's very important. Never switch off the main power supply directly without shutting your computer. Step 2, switch on the power button on the UPS. This is second step. Switch on the power button on the UPS. Step 3, switch on the power button on the CPU. This is step 3. Step 4, switch on the power on the monitor and wait for computer to start. This is fourth step. Fifth step, as soon as the monitor screen appears, it indicates the computer is ready to use. Fifth one, you can understood this desktop is shown ready, its use. We already learned now. Power switch on, UPS on, CPU on, monitor on. After that, we can see the desktop picture will show it is ready for use. Now you see the desktop. This desktop, see the picture, it's ready for use. Desktop, this is desktop. Desktop is the screen that appears on starting the computer. The small pictures with the titles on the desktops are called icons. It's showing there the small pictures. It's called icons. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. I'll show you taskbar. This thin bar. This is called taskbar. The button positioned on the left corner of the taskbar is called start button. Okay, got it? Shutting down a computer. Shutting down a computer. Always close your computer after working on it. Shut down or turn off the computer means closing the computer. It's very important. Computer will show this shut down and turn off. This option is used to close the computer. This option is used to close the computer. Follow the steps used below to shutting down the computer. Follow these steps. Step 1, select start button. This is the start button. On the taskbar, the start button menu appears, start menu appears. Step 2, select the shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. This picture also is here. So you can see this picture, shutdown, start button. Okay, can you see? Okay, step 1, click the start button. Click the start button. This, click the start button. Click shutdown button. Step 3, now switch off the power button on the monitor. This is the third step. Remember, CPU shut down itself when you shut down the computer. Do not switch off the power button on the CPU. This is always remember. Step 4, switch off the power button on the UPS. This step 4. And step 5, this is the step 5. Switch off the main power supply. Okay. Now just up to this, shut down the computer. Today's homework, you can revise how you can shutting down the computer. Steps you learn today. This is your homework today. So, okay. Children, up to this part you can revise nicely, read nicely. This is your homework. Read the lesson 2 times and learn that steps. Today's class over. Children, learn it and thank you. Have a nice day.